Welcome to the discussion on the closing of the Isachsen High Arctic Weather Station being developed by the federal government of Canada. This is an invite to the upcoming community engagement, including some general information and history about the site.
Isachsen is located on LF Ringnes Island, about 500 kilometers northwest of Resolute Bay, Nunavut. The station was set up in 1947 by Canada and the United States to collect weather data and send it to analysts in the south. Over the years, they also did research on the ionosphere, on solar radiation, observed ozone levels, measured ice, and carried out other scientific studies. The site covers about 4.6 square kilometers and has around 21 buildings and structures along with other equipment and supplies. It also includes large fuel tanks and distribution facilities, power generators, waste disposal areas, thousands of barrels, old equipment, and former water and sewage systems.
The United States ended its partnership with the weather station in 1972. Canada continued to run the station with staff under Transport Canada until 1975, and then under Environment Canada until it closed in September 1978. The weather collection system has been automated since then and is unstaffed. However, Isachsen was still used to support various scientific research groups and for training exercises by the Canadian Rangers. Waste cleanup efforts began in 1996 with drum crushing, fuel incineration, and burial of derelict heavy equipment and metal debris, which was done by a contractor and local community workers. The site has been the subject of numerous studies since then, and recently efforts have been made to investigate and plan how to decommission the site.
Field investigations began at Isachsen in the summers of 2022, 2023, and 2024. A camp was set up near the runway with a kitchen, a bathroom, an office, and several sleeping areas. The fieldwork included digging soil test pits, drilling boreholes and sampling water, identifying hazardous materials and assessing building structure, checking and fixing heavy equipment, and inspecting the runway. The fieldwork also included waste inventories of remaining fuel, barrels, tanks, and other metal debris, as well as locating borrowed material for landfilling and new infrastructure required for the site cleanup. Again, local community members have helped conduct this work. Recent cleanup efforts while at the site have included test burning for incineration of remaining fuels, removing hazardous materials like PCB ballasts from buildings, and installing devices to monitor the site for climate change. The next step in the decommissioning and cleanup process is to talk with the public. We want to inform you about the project, discuss the options for further cleanup of the site and how it affects you and your community.
Please join us at the conference room in the ACO South Camp Hotel on January 29th at 4 p.m. Food and refreshments will be served. For more information about the meeting, please contact Dustin Martin.
Time will leave our troubles behind.